Welcome, kids. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Now let's continue with our lesson in English alphabet. But before that, let's review our lesson last week. Big letter H, small letter H is for hat. Ha, ha, hat. Let's review our chant last week, because every week we have a chant. Ho, ho, ho. I'm a hairy bear. Come and catch me if you dare. Again. Ho, ho, ho. I'm a hairy bear. Come and catch me if you dare. Okay, let's review what we've learned as well. We have words that we have learned last week. A hand. What is that? What is that? That is a hand. A heart. What is that? What is that? That is a heart. A helicopter. What is that? What is that? That is a helicopter. Let's have more. A hen. What is that? What is that? That is a hen. A horse. What is that? What is that? That is a horse. A house. What is that? What is that? That is a house. Okay, let's learn about the letter I today. We will know today the sound of letter I. Okay, let's start. Big letter I. Small letter I is for igloo. Igloo. So the sound of letter I is I, but we have another sound for that letter I later. So this is an igloo. Let's repeat. Big letter I, small letter I is for igloo. Igloo. Now today, let's learn also our English chant. I like ice cream. Ice cream is yummy. I like ice cream in my tummy. Again, please. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Ice cream is yummy. Ice cream is yummy. I like ice cream. I like ice cream in my tummy. Did you get it? Again, I like ice cream. Ice cream is yummy. I like ice cream in my tummy. Okay, let's have new words today. Okay. And ice. So another sound of letter I is I. An ice. What is this? What is this? This is an ice. An igloo. An igloo. So another sound of letter I is E, igloo. What is this? What is this? This is an igloo. An ink. An ink. What is this? What is this? This is an ink. Again, please. An ice. What is this? What is this? This is an ice. An igloo. An igloo. What is this? What is this? This is an igloo. This is an igloo. An ink. An ink. What is this? What is this? This is an ink. This is an ink. Okay, let's have more. An insect. An insect. What is this? What is this? This is an insect. This is an insect. An infant. An infant. What is this? What is this? This is an infant. This is an infant. An iron. An iron. What is this? What is this? This is an iron. This is an iron. Again, please. An insect. An insect. What is this? This is an insect. An infant. What is this? What is this? This is an infant. An iron. An iron. What is this? What is this? This is an iron. This is an iron. So you have learned a lot today. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening and watching this video. See you again. Bye-bye.